Hello, this is Mr. Bridge again from Fujian Xinhong. Today my main point is to introduce our brand new combo press to you all. As you can see from this table, the main body was made by the white and black color. It is very attractive for our home craft group customers. The reason why we called it combo press is that you can see from this table, not only for this 15 by 15 heat plate, also includes for this different sized mark press and pen press, cap press, plate press. And if you want to add more functions into this machine, you just let us know and we will make it to your cart to make it more amazing. Okay. The most point for this machine is that it not only with 360 degree rotate angle, and also we have make it innovative platters. The reason why we call it innovative platters is that with these platters, you will give a more smooth plate for our customers to load the garments and also make it even pressure to make the effect more better. Today I will introduce you. Today I will show you how to make t-shirts with this brand new combo press and also for the marks. Okay. So now let's first to do it by press the power button. Just come to the controllers. As you all know, if you want to make a sublimation first, you have to make the temperature in a high level. Press the setting button into the temperature. As you see, I have already set it to 200 degrees. And then let's make the time about 60 seconds. Okay. And after making all of this, the things you have to do is wait and make everything ready. First, we have to put the t-shirts on the platters. And after you put this, you just make it about 3 seconds press to make it smooth, so that it will be very better. It will be very easier for your next press. Okay, now it's okay. And rotate it. This is the design. This is the pictures I downloaded from the network. So if you have any ideas about to making your own design, of course you can make it on the Photoshop. And just after you design it, just print it by the printers. Okay. And now we have put it on the shirts. Just don't forget to add this Teflon sheet on it, okay, to protect your heat level. Okay, after everything is ready, the things we have to do is to wait the temperature to arrive to the estimated we want. Meanwhile, I also want to introduce for you is that we not only sell the heat press machine, we also have the different kind of the sublimations blanks. Like this, you can see the phone cases, the marks, for the marbles, and for the caps, hats, and some tumblers. Okay, and I also prepare these marks for you. And later I will show you how to change the parts in this machine to achieve different kind of functions. Okay, let's see what the temperature is now. 186. It is not a big difference about the temperature, but it is also okay for us to make shirts. Now we just press it and wait. Press this timer to start the sublimation. Just waiting for about 60 seconds. Worst to say is that, as you can see from here, the fire rated caps. The reason why we make these on this machine is that, you know, when the machine is heating up the temperature of the heat plate, it will be very high, and it is very easier for our customers to get hurt if you touch it. So we have to make other parts made by the metals to be protective. Okay. Let's see what is the time now. In just 6 seconds. Let's wait it. Okay, listen. After the time is that, you will hear a voice about a voice, we call it alarm, by this machine. Then we just open it and press this timer to stop this voice. Now we just remove this Teflon sheet first and remove these little ducks. Is it really nice? A shirt. Very good. Okay, after about this, the things I have to do is to show you how to change functions of this machine. First, you have to do is close this. Okay, and you will find here have an aviation plug. First, we have to remove it so that it will be easy for you to change the functions. This, okay, and I will remove it here. Now it is okay. You will find here they have another side, another end of this machine. You have to plug it on the same position. It is very easy for our customers to operate this. It is also a main point that we don't want to make more complicated operations for our customers, just to make it easy for each steps. And now this is the 11-ounce marks. We put here first to check if it can fix suitable. Okay, it is okay. And we have already prepared one designs. Drawings. This is the designs here. Make these to E. After you make all of these ready, you just put it into the magnet, and then you can start to make marks. Close it. Start the machine. And also for the temperature, we suggest it by 200 degrees, and also for the time is to be 60. Okay. And then just wait. You know, now more and more the customers and the people will like to make the different kind of the gifts for the friends or families by in the traditional festival, like for the Father's Day, for the Mother's Day, for Children's Day, and also for the Christmas. This is very meaningful things to make the gifts by ourselves to our friends or families. So it is really a good machine it is really a good machine for our customers to have it for the home craft things. And let's see what is the temperature now for the marks made. Now it is 170. Just waiting. You can see from these magnets, they have some screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws for it. If you want to make a bigger size for the marks, like for fitting 50 ounce, for 12 ounce, and also for 10 ounce, you can screw it up. You can lose it and make a bigger, another size magnet on it, and it will be easy for our customers to make different size of the marks. Okay. And also for this cap press, later I will show you how to change it on this machine and to make a customized marks, caps, and also for these pens, the same principles. Let's read it. Okay, now the temperature is arrived, so let's start the marks customize. Okay. First, the same thing we press this timer, and it will start to count down. And just wait about 60 seconds, and then the marks will be made. Let's read it. At the beginning of this video, I have mentioned about that. We not only made this white type combo press machine, we also made for the cherry pink and also for the sky blue and some mint green. If you have any good idea for the colors of the machine, you also can feel free to share with us, and we will try to make the colors belong to you and your company. So it will be very, I think it is also memorable things for you and the home craft groups. Okay, it is now the time is up. We just press this timer again, then the alarm will be disappear. And we open this, and open this. All of my customers, you have to pay attention to this because the heating element will be hard. So first we have to put this here to make a cold. Maybe after about 3 minutes it will be turn cold. So we have to peel it off. A moment please. It is very hard, but it is my okay. Now let's see. Love yourself. It is very nice, right? A nice marks. Okay, after making a marks, the things we have to do is also to close this. Yes, to make it off, and try to change a new functions like this caps. You can see here it is the structure. We just make it. Okay, and also the same thing to remove this aviation plug. Change to another one. This one. And the important things you have to do is to remove this. A moment, please. They have some screws under the platters. It may take time, but it is really easy. So don't worry about this part. It is very easy for each of the customers to operate it. Like these screws. It's really smart. Okay. And now we have to remove it. And this is another part of the caps. We totally basic. Look, it is very easy to remove it. Here. And screw it. It's really easy for each of the customers to do this to do this step. So don't worry about it. Okay, my friends, after some easier operations to make these screws tighten, we have to make this cap press ready. It is very nice, right? 360-degree rotation. Press it, and it will be easy for our customers to make the cap press. Okay, so now that everything has been shown yet, my introduction also finished. So about our heat press machine, if you have any questions, you just contact me at any time. Okay, see you next time.